First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type net shint ip reset c reset log.txt and then press Enter. Type net sh winsock reset and press Enter. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Type exit and press Enter. Restart and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
First open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Open Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS, type 1111. In alternate DNS, type 1001. Press OK. Close the window and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Yes. Press Yes. Now restart.
if that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Internet Connection. Press Run Troubleshooter. Click on Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. Press Try these repairs as administrator. Wait for your connection to be repaired. Now your problem should be fixed. Press Close the troubleshooter.